Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So a video I posted before about my HTC U11, my SIM tray breaking. So some of you guys who follow me on social media, you already know that my SIM tray broke last year, and I've been waiting to get a new SIM tray. And so I got the SIM tray, and the SIM tray didn't work because there's a piece of the other SIM tray still stuck down in the phone. So I posted the video, just kind of in a funny way, death by SIM tray, or HTC U11 is officially dead. Those are just titles. It's just having fun on YouTube. However, a lot of experts came out and said, "Oh, Jay, you can fix that real easy. Your phone's under warranty." Well, yes, my HTC U11 is in fact under warranty. Some of you guys said, "Oh, Jay, you broke it. It's your fault. Why should they pay for it? Why should you be able to use your warranty?" Okay, well, a lot of people said it's under warranty. Send it in. They'll fix it for you. You're good to go. Well, you were right. It is under warranty still. It is under warranty until August of this year. And it's also fixable by HTC. However, there's always a however. All of the experts that came out and say just send it in, it's good to go, covered under warranty, you were wrong. Even though I pulled the SIM tray out, I didn't physically break this SIM tray. It got caught on something, and then as I pulled it out, the bottom of it stayed in. Well, I talked to HTC support, and I've got the full transcript in the description, and I might even put it up on the screen for you. It was kind of funny. They said, well, your phone is, after this long back and forth, they pretty much told me my phone is under warranty, but they consider that physical damage. And, I didn't really go into a back and forth saying it's not my fault, because they have no way to, they have no knowledge of whether or not I did it intentionally. I could have been doing anything to my phone. Even though you guys know that I wouldn't intentionally break the HTC U11 or any phone, because that was actually my top device, or one of my top devices. And the SIM tray was flimsy to begin with, but it's my right to swap my SIM card in and out if I want to. And I still stand firm, not just to target HTC, but I stand firm on OEMs using plastic SIM trays. This should be a thing of the past. You have tons of phones that are water resistant, or not even having to do with water resistance, just they're metal chassis, and they use a metal SIM tray. To me, it's unacceptable, and I do agree with some of the things that were said by some of you guys in the comments of that video saying, this is unacceptable, and I don't feel like you were just taking my side. I think a lot of people just feel like it's unacceptable to charge a certain amount for a phone and then put a plastic SIM tray in it. A plastic SIM tray easily can be broken. I mean, this is just common sense. But I reached out to HTC, and they said, we can fix it. However, and I'm definitely going to show you this. Plus, you can read the full transcript in the description. I'm just going to show you the part where you'll see my response, like, what? Are you serious right now? You want me to pay you $200 to fix my SIM tray? And my response immediately was, I can just pay a little bit more and get a brand new phone. So that is what will happen. If you, in fact, break your SIM tray, even if it was an accident like me, like I didn't intentionally try to break the SIM tray, it just kind of fell apart as I was pulling it out. Or if you do it on purpose, it doesn't matter to them. They consider it physical damage, and you have to pay them $200. Now, at that point, I didn't even get into anything else. As you can see here, whether I have it posted on my left or my right, I just said, you know what? This is a no-go. I'm totally, and I think they at first asked me if I wanted a discount or something like that. They offered that to me, and I said, okay, I think that's how it went, but just read the transcript. And then when I asked for a discount or something to buy another one, they just kind of said, no, we don't have anything right now. I was like, well, why'd you bring that up? But nonetheless, the HTC U11, I decided to go ahead and just use the HTC U11 to record this video. So this is the front camera on the HTC U11. As you can see, it still is fantastic. The phone fully functions. There's just a piece of the bottom of the SIM tray stuck in the device, and that's just what it is. So I'm not really worried about it. I appreciate HTC even taking the time to get on the live chat with me and try to discuss some alternatives. But once they said $200 and it's considered physical damage, even though it's under warranty, I understood. I didn't agree with it. And I wasn't going to try to plead my case and say, hey, no, you guys are going to do it. I just said, you know what? Fantastic. I'll just either buy another one, or I'll just use this one for production for videos. Still a fantastic phone. In the interim, though, I did hook up T-Mobile digits to this phone, and I've actually been using it to make phone calls. Now, I do have phones placed about my house, so I don't have to keep running around. But this one actually is linked to my main SIM card, to my main phone number, and I just keep it up in the office. So sometimes if I leave my phone downstairs, I can, well, whichever one. If I leave a phone, but these have real phone numbers in them, so, but I still can use digits, but these all have different phone numbers, but I basically linked this U11 to my real phone number, and I use digits with it now. I just leave it up in the office or just somewhere around. So if my phone rings, oh, okay, boom, or I can just, if I need to make a call real quick. So T-Mobile digits actually is working for me at this point, not by choice, but I had no intentions on using T-Mobile digits again because I had kind of a bad experience with it the first time. However, I'm going to use T-Mobile digits with this phone because I really like the HTC U11, and I'm not going to let this hold me back from using this phone. So there you have it. So everyone who said, oh, it's under warranty, they'll take care of it for you. No, they won't. They said it was physical damage, and I got to pay for it myself. So I said, fine. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. It's your man, Jay Will. Tell me what you think now that you know the policy behind this. Do you think HTC is being unfair? Do you think it's reasonable? I personally think it's reasonable. I may not agree with the pricing and everything, but I do think it's reasonable that I should pay for it. Now, obviously, I was willing to pay for it. If you can see in the transcript, you'll see me saying, okay, how much do I have to pay for something like this? And when they said $200, I was like, pump the brakes, not going to happen. Yeah, not going to happen. So I wonder what other companies would do. I wonder what Samsung would do if I said I broke my SIM tray or part of it stuck in the phone. Would they just say, okay, it's physical damage, or, I don't know. So what do you think about this policy and how it was handled by HTC? It's your man, Jay Will. Again, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.